Hello, Mario! AUTOCAD Basic 3.2. Create a simple shape. Hello, welcome. Well, in this video we're going to create a simple shape using the skills that we've used already and following the diagrams that have been provided in the course booklet. So let's head over to the big screen and make a start. So first step, open Simple2 m.drawing, open file, and Simple2 m.drawing, open, and there we are. It's nice and all open for us. And from your practice files follow, it is in an empty drawing. Use the line command to draw the shapes shown in the figure. Okay, use the lower left hand corner of each shape as the starting point and draw the shape clockwise. So the lower left is the starting point. It doesn't seem to give us any coordinates as such, and doesn't show any relationship between the actual thing. So right, and you can select any point on the screen as a starting point. The exact coordinates do not matter. If you make a mistake on one section, remember the undo, save and close the drawing. So we'll start at I'll start at 0, 0 anyway, because that's always a good starting point. So we can either go L for line, that's sort of what I'm used to, and 0, 0. Right, so that'll start the first one there. Okay, and that's all moved on to there. So I'll sort of draw them as they're shown there. So first one up there, and that'll be 120. Okay, up, so on like that, and then across 75. Yeah, and then up 50. Don't forget to get the green line, 50, and then we go across here 75. Oh no, I've done that already, and up 50, so then 180. Okay, and then drop down like so, 180, and dropping down looks like 50, and then across there 75, and then down, oh, that's got to be 120, I guess, 120. Okay, and across here, oh, 50, bit tricky. Yep, and then up there 75, across there 230, and then C for close. Oh, Control Z. Oops, perhaps not. I wonder if we can move forward on. Oh yes. Okay, so that one there, I'm just going to delete that. Right, now I'm going to go line here and just continue on down there, and that should be 75. Don't think C for close is going to work now. C, and no, because we've interrupted the flow there, and so I got confused there. So let's just draw a line, L for line, across here like that. Okay, back to there, and just to check that everything's good, that should be, yes, 180 degrees, and that should have a length of 50. All good. So that's shape 1 drawn there. Now just looking at the scale, shape 2 sort of starts in the middle of there actually. So I'm going to, just to be a little bit, I'm going to turn on the midpoint snap there, so that I'm just going to go L for line, and then I'm just going to go to there, and then okay, now there's a running, I'm going to turn that on, snapping reference lines, turn that on. Okay, so if I go from there, that just puts a little green line up there, and I reckon that distance up there's, or I'm going to go 100. Okay, and that just starts me there. No, that's way more. I'll just go escape, and I'm just going to go line into here. I reckon that's only that distance up there. It's more than 50. It's round about 75, so that'll do. Okay, now that gives me that starting point there. So I'm going to put this big long one and put the big long one in there, which is not shown. Not shown. Oh, that's interesting. So I can't do that. So I'm going to have to go up here at 75. Okay, now this one across here is at an angle of 30 degrees. Oh, can I remember? So that's going to be 100 tab 30 degrees. Okay, yeah. Hey! And then that's 250. And then this angle down here is probably going to be 30 degrees, is it? Is that going to be how that's going to work? I wonder. Yeah, probably will. So that'll be 100 tab 30. Yeah. Okay, it'll come down there like that, and then down here 75, and then we'll just see for close because we've done it continuously, and I'm just going to check that C for close there. Yes, that's at 180 degrees, so that's all pretty good. Yep, alrighty. So now we've got this other little shape here, which pretty much looks like, because it does say use the lower left corner of each as the starting point. So I'm not going to use. I'm going to use that one there. I reckon this one's across here somewhere, all about there, and that's I'm going to go 150. Okay, so I'm just going to put that about there like that. So that's 100 up there, and dropping out there like that, 25. Just interpreting that, and then up there, 50. Okay, and then is that right? Yeah, and then 100 along here on the green, following the green line, 100. Yep, and then down here, 122.08, 55 degrees, 122.08, tab 55. That look about right? Yeah, and then down here, 50, and then we'll go C for close. Okay, and I'll just check that that's actually, yeah, not some funny angle. Okay, alrighty, so that's all pretty much done according to the little diagram there. And so next thing is save and close the drawing. File, save as. I like to use save as so that I know exactly where it's going and I can identify that. Yeah, I'm happy with that, and it's going into that folder, save. And yeah, we're going to replace it. Okay, so that's all very well and good. So let's yes, so that's another little task completed, and we can see how the skills that we've learnt as we've gone along can be applied in various little situations or simple situations there. So that's all well and good. So we'll see you in the next video. Cheers! See you!